The Zesty Zinger. A deep dive into the kiwi fruit. The kiwi fruit, with its fuzzy brown skin and vibrant green flesh speckled with tiny black seeds, is a unique and delicious addition to the fruit world. Often mistaken as a native of New Zealand, its origins trace back to China, where it was originally known as the Chinese gooseberry. This article delves into the fascinating history, nutritional benefits, cultivation, and culinary uses of this intriguing fruit. A journey from China to global tables. The kiwi's journey began in the early 20th century, when seeds were brought from China to New Zealand by Isabel Fraser, a principal of Wanganui Girls' College. New Zealand farmers, recognizing its potential, cultivated the fruit and renamed it kiwi fruit, after the native, flightless bird, the kiwi, due to their shared fuzzy brown appearance. The name change and strategic marketing helped propel the fruit's popularity, transforming it from a relatively unknown delicacy to a global sensation. Nutritional powerhouse. The kiwi fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its impressive nutrient profile contributes to a wide range of health benefits. Vitamin C. Kiwis are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, exceeding even oranges in concentration. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that supports immune function, collagen production, and iron absorption. Vitamin K. Essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin E. Another powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Fiber. Kiwis are a good source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and regulating blood sugar levels. Potassium. Important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Folate. Crucial for cell growth and development, particularly during pregnancy. Actinidin. A unique enzyme found in kiwis that aids protein digestion. Antioxidants. Kiwis contain various antioxidants, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which protect against free radical damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Health benefits in detail. Boosts immunity. The high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections. Improves digestion. The fiber and actinidin content promotes regular bowel movements and aids protein digestion. Supports heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while antioxidants reduce the risk of heart disease. Promotes eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration. Enhances skin health. Vitamin C supports collagen production, keeping the skin firm and youthful. May improve sleep. Some studies suggest that consuming kiwis before bed may improve sleep quality. Cultivation and varieties. Kiwis thrive in temperate climates with well-drained soil. They are typically grown on trellises to support the vines. Kiwis are dioecious, meaning they have separate male and female plants. Pollination is crucial for fruit production, requiring both male and female plants. Several varieties of kiwi fruit exist, each with unique characteristics. Hayward. The most common variety, known for its fuzzy brown skin and green flesh. Gold kiwi. Zesty gold, characterized by its smooth, bronze skin and yellow flesh with a sweeter, tropical flavor. Kiwi berry. Smaller, smooth-skinned kiwis that can be eaten whole. Red kiwi. A newer variety with red flesh and a sweeter, berry-like flavor. Culinary uses. Kiwis are versatile fruits that can be enjoyed in various ways. Eaten fresh. Simply peel and slice or scoop out the flesh. Fruit salads. Adds a tangy and refreshing flavor to fruit salads. Smoothies and juices. Blends well with other fruits and vegetables. Desserts. Used in tarts, pies, and other desserts. Salsas and chutneys. Adds a unique flavor to savory dishes. Meat tenderizer. The actinitin enzyme can tenderize meat. Potential allergies and precautions. While kiwis offer numerous health benefits, some people may experience allergic reactions. Kiwi allergy symptoms can range from mild oral itching to severe anaphylaxis. It is essential to be aware of potential allergies and consult a doctor if you experience any adverse reactions. Additionally, kiwis contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Conclusion. The kiwi fruit, with its intriguing history and impressive nutritional profile, has earned its place as a beloved fruit worldwide. From its humble origins in China to its global popularity, the kiwi continues to delight with its tangy flavor and health-promoting properties. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into smoothies, or incorporated into culinary creations, the kiwi fruit remains a zesty zinger that adds a touch of vibrancy to any diet.